Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off read caller names aloud on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, go down and tap on accessibility. Then we go down and tap on interaction and dexterity. Next, go down and go to the interactions section and tap on answering and ending calls. In here, tap on read caller names aloud. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or off. If you turn it on, you can also choose over Bluetooth and headphones only, or you could choose always. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.